The TTB section one-time setup stores company information required for the TTB return. You set the frequency of excise payment and filing of the return, and the closing balance from your last statement. This shows you filing dates as per TTB, and BeerRun will alert you 1 day before the return is due. If you sell retail units, this is where you specify what it is and the volume. To file an excise return, click on the Process button. BeerRun reminds you that your invoices may be old and asks you if you would like to reset them to 0 and import again from QuickBooks or your accounting system. You can go with the existing invoices too. You enter your retail units here. As soon as you enter the quantity, the equivalent barrels appear and the excise amounts due is calculated. The wholesale page shows you all the invoices you have generated in QuickBooks, showing each line item of beer and displaying its barrel equivalent. The total excise payment is already calculated. Click Next to indicate how you would like to pay. Now you can preview your excise return duly filled. You can print, sign, and mail the check, or you can continue to export the XML file, which you can upload to pay.gov and file electronically. The Update section allows you to specify in great detail all the manual exceptions in the BRO, with timestamps for future audits. Additions handles rows 5, 7, and 8. In removals, you track rows 15 to 21 and 27 to 30 in the TTB return. For example, if you had beer consumed on premises, click on this button and indicate which beer was consumed, quantity, and the reason. These reasons are reusable. Throughout the course of 3 months, you can record all the removals of beer for various reasons, like lab samples. In the Reports page, binoculars appear wherever you have recorded any activity, and you can click on it to see the entry you just made. These amounts populate the appropriate row in the return, and you are able to preserve this data for further audits. When it comes time to file the return, the first step is to enter the physical inventory here, or capture it from QuickBooks or your accounting system. This is the summary of your return. This shows you all the ingredients that have been consumed in various batches, classified as per TTB. You can view the underlying inventory slip for each batch. You can now see production of each batch in the period as performeter reading 2. And this is the quantity of finished goods that your packing crew racked during the period. This is the quantity you sold via retail and wholesale over all the excise returns filed in this period. Now you can preview your Brewers return operations. This captures all the information we just saw as per TTB format. You can see the excise you've paid, and you can see ingredients as per TTB. The report is ready to be printed, signed, and mailed, or you can export it to XML and upload to pay.gov. You can review past returns filed, along with supporting details. The excise page shows you the past excise tax returns and supporting documents.